Hello everyone. Welcome back to our programming series. Today we are going to see about SkillRack daily challenge, that is, perfect squares, first half and second half. Hashtag include istdio.h. This line includes the standard input-output library, allowing the use of functions like printf and scanf. Hashtag include istlib.h. This line includes the standard library, providing functions for dynamic memory allocation and other utilities. Int is perfect, long x. This function takes a long integer x as input and returns 1, true, if x is a perfect square, and 0, false, otherwise. If x equals 0, checks if x is non-negative. Long t equals sqrt, x, calculates the square root of x and assigns it to the variable t. Return, t asterisk t equals x, returns 1 if the square of t is equal to x, indicating that x is a perfect square. Otherwise, returns 0. Int main, the main function, the entry point of the program. Long int n, declares a variable n to store the input integer. Scanf, %lld, and n, reads a long integer from the standard input and stores it in the variable n. Int len equals log 10, n, plus 1, calculates the number of digits in the input n by taking the base, 10 logarithm and adding 1. Int split equals len/2, calculates the position to split the number in half by dividing the number of digits by 2. Long int first equals n/pow, 10, split, extracts the first half of the input n by dividing it by 10 raised to the power of split. Long int second equals n%, long int, pow, 10, split, extracts the second half of the input n by taking the remainder when divided by 10 raised to the power of split. If is perfect, n, and is perfect, first, and is perfect, second, checks if the original number n, the first half, and the second half are all perfect squares. Printf, yes, prints yes to the standard output if the conditions in the if statement are true. Printf, no, prints no to the standard output if the conditions in the if statement are false. I hope this explanation helps. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more programming challenges. Thanks for watching.